Have you been wanting to start creating content, but you're unsure if you have the right equipment? In this video, you're going to walk away with 5 affordable tools to help you prepare for your next video. Hi, I'm Taya. I'm a content creator and I post weekly videos to help other content creators elevate their brand, land paid collabs, and travel more. First up, let's talk lighting. Good lighting can literally make or break your video, and you don't need a massive setup to get started. I love clip-on lights because of their portability and it's easy to use. This is the clip-on light that I use for all of my videos, whether I'm making hotel content for restaurants, or just recording talking heads. I got it on Amazon for about $30 over a year ago, and I still use it to this day. The battery life is great. It takes forever to charge, but it's because the battery lasts a while. These are the functions. There's an on or mode button, and then you can adjust the brightness of each mode. It also has like a regular Android charger port and then a USB-C port. I'm gonna show y'all the setting. This is like regular brightness, cool white, or this is cool white, warm tone, and then this is kind of like a mixture. And then you can adjust the brightness as needed. For my videos, I like to keep it on the warm because it makes the melanin pop. Next, let's focus on sound quality. Clear audio is just as important as clear visuals, and that's where a wireless microphone comes in. Wireless mics are a must for me because I talk so quiet. Even with a mic, sometimes I have to increase the audio when I'm editing my videos. Again, with this, you don't need to splurge on expensive gear. This is the microphone that I have. It comes with a clip, so I can clip it to my clothes, which is typically how I use it regularly. So I can just click the button and it'll focus more on my voice rather than the background. And then this is me with the microphone. So you can clearly tell that there's a big difference. I also like this mic because it comes in this little case and you can charge the case. It holds in the actual microphone and the adapter that plugs into my phone. I love this because it's kind of like AirPods. The battery life lasts forever. I've had this for a few months by now and I've only had to charge it once. I did have another microphone that came with 2 little standard looking mics, but the clip on that broke. So that's why I ended up getting this one. And I actually preferred this one more than the other one anyway. By the way, after this video, you can easily find the links to all of these products in the description box. It'll be linked to my Amazon storefront. Now let's talk stability. Shaky footage can turn anybody away, and it just looks unprofessional, but you can easily avoid that by getting a tripod. This tool is essential for keeping shots steady, whether you're doing a talking head video, shooting B-roll, or even taking self-timer pictures. A tripod is honestly a must for any creator. If you're trying to start content creating and you don't think getting a tripod is necessary, then you need to take a step back and reevaluate. This is also an Amazon purchase. I got this for about $16. It locks into place and I can do portrait or landscape videos or pictures. This gets pretty tall. You just pull it up, bend up. Okay, for reference, I just tested how tall it can get. I'm 5'4", and we were pretty much the same height. So definitely worth investing under $20 in to get this tripod. If you made it this far, go ahead and give this video a like so that other inspiring creators can see it as well. Sometimes you don't need a full-size tripod, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of your recording at a desk or in a small space. That's where a tabletop tripod comes in. It's easy to carry and perfect for filming talking heads, product reviews, or hands-on tutorials. It's another affordable tool that can really elevate the quality of your content. This is a newer purchase of mine, but I can already tell that it's going to be a staple. And right now it's only $9.95, so it's a great option if you want to save up for a tripod. This is how it looks. It can get shorter or taller, but I literally just leave it next to my laptop on my desk. I use it mostly for talking heads and posting updates on my Instagram story. Last but not least, do not underestimate the power of an iPhone camera. You don't need a fancy DSLR camera. Your smartphone has a great camera that can shoot in high quality videos. Pro tip, make sure your camera settings on an iPhone are set at 180p and at 30 frames per second, and use the grid feature. Especially if you're not good at getting things videos in a straight line. I am the worst at that. I always end up going crooked or just being diagonal. So having the grid feature really helps a lot. Let me know in the comments if you want a video on my iPhone camera settings to help you create the highest quality videos. Now that you know the basics for creating content, check out my other content creator tips in short. See you next week.